might have said, well, what a Caribbean chef you're going with? But you know what I mean? A lot of people do spend money on alcohol, cigarette, many things. You know, you can name it. You can name it. People spend billions of money on cars, house, all sorts of stuff. But never think of spending money on your body, your health, you know what I mean? Because without yourself, you can do nothing. So you have to look healthy, fit, look strong, and you know what I mean? Keep yourself up to date. But anyway, today I have a drink which I want to share with you guys. You don't have to do it if you don't like it. And you know what I mean? You might have said, what this chef is going on is a black chef. But you know, you learn things and you know things can, you know what I mean, work and people can be healthy and fit and, you know what I mean, strong. You know what I mean? I want to say, it sounds weird, but it's not weird. It's real. It's real and it's reality. And this is true drink. Anyway, we're going to make you sweet pepper drink. And you might have said, this sounds weird. But, you know what I mean, I live in London and, you know what I mean, so even myself, I eat sweet pepper and it without even anything. I eat it raw. You eat it in, many people using different stuff. Many people use it in cooking. Some people use it in all sort of stuff. Sweet pepper going on. Sweet pepper. Remember guys, sweet pepper. Go in so many different things. But, you know what I mean, some people, I saw many people make it with drink and do so many things with it. But for me, I'm going to make you a nice, lovely drink with it. And, you know what I mean, I can show you what Chef Ricardo been doing with this drink. Anyway, we will taste it and make you guys see how it is healthy and nice. You can try this at home. Without you try it, you can know nothing. You have to try it. Alright? So we're going to make sweet pepper drink. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So as you can see right over here, all of my ingredients, which I do have right here. Put this at the side. This is my smoothie blender where I normally blend my stuff in. Very good blender. Basically, I got 3 pieces of pepper right here, as you can see. This is the pepper right here, guys. Red, green, and gold. Alright? Second thing, put that aside. If I get my knife and simple, just cut it up a little bit smaller. Put it straight inside of a smoothie blender. I want you guys to see exactly what's going on right here. You can eat pepper raw. So if you can eat pepper raw, why you can't make a drink from it? Second thing, you cook with it, why you can't make a drink with it? You do so many things with it, why you can't make a drink with it? We're gonna put a little bit of honey also inside of it like this. Roughly a tablespoon of honey. Just to give it a flavor, because a lot of people are not able to drink it natural. So squeeze a little bit of lemon juice inside of it. Be careful with the seed. Nice one. You don't have to put a lot. You can just put a little bit of the lemon juice inside of it, just to give it a flavor and a taste also. Just a little piece of a ginger. You don't want too much because you're not making a lot. Just like this. Some water. Roughly 1/4 cups of water. Piece of ice just to keep it cool and nice. Put another piece in it. It's fine. Probably pop another teaspoon of honey. Not tablespoon, teaspoon, guys. Alright. Cover it. This not gonna take long for blend. Roughly about a second, 2 seconds or 2 minutes. Alright. And blend. Nice and lovely. I finished blend. Remove it. Give it a shake like this. You can see a little bit of honey down the bottom of it. That's fine. Give it a shake. Get your glass. Looking lovely and nice. As you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Nice and lovely, guys. So, you might have said, why I not understand where that chef is going and him is a black chef from the Caribbean. What kind of thing am I going with? Jamaican people do use pepper cook with. It's not only me alone in this world cook with pepper from the Caribbean. You understand? Everybody use pepper cook with. I got 2 more pieces of ice. Charles also can put straight inside of it like that. Inside of the glass. Just to make it a little bit more chilly. Pour that lovely pepper juice inside of it. Wow, and the pepper smells so nice, man. Ah, look at that, guys. Really fantastic, amazing recipe, done and dusted, looking lovely and nice, and I'm gonna be one of the first person gonna taste it. Man, this is brilliant, brilliant drink, guys, and I'm telling you, give it a try at home. Healthy drink, sweet pepper drink. Hopefully you like the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and it is just nice. Sorry you never need to have some, but I'm telling you, hard to taste it. But you can try it at home. As you can see, sweet pepper with some ginger, lemon, and honey. Can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. So, as I said, a lot of people do so many things with sweet pepper. You know what I mean? They cook with it, they stir fry with it, and do all sort of stuff with it. You can make drink with it. So, this is it right here. Give it another go. Nice. It's really nice. Nice. I make it before, so I know everything about it. I make it a couple months ago, but I didn't upload it on YouTube because a lot of people say, oh, he's a black chef. Why is he doing that? He's from the Caribbean. Oh, you know what I mean? But I'm telling you, if you want to be healthy, a lot of people spend billions of money on car, house, land, all sorts of stuff. I spend money on food and to be healthy. So, that's beautiful. I like it. It's just really natural, nice. The taste of the red and green pepper, you taste the ginger, the lemon, the honey. It's just natural drink. So guys, if you never tried this before, give it a go. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.